What's up, everybody? Welcome to queergirlstraightskates. I'm Rebel, and today I'm gonna teach you about something that changed my life, and it's the easiest, most wonderful thing, and you just have to know about it. It's skate leashes. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you want to learn how to roller skate, or if you are a roller skater, I highly recommend that you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post. And also, if you want to support me, head on over to cheerstothequeers.com because there's lots of cool stuff there and it's my shop. That's right, we're talking about this. If you've never seen this, you should keep watching. And if you have seen this, but you're like, what is it? Or if you always struggle with how to hold your skates, then this is what we're gonna talk about today. It's truly wild. Wherever I decide to record, there's always planes. So roller skates are super, super awesome. I love them so much, obviously, and I'm sure you love them too. But when you get a pair of roller skates, when you just have two roller skates, you're probably not just carrying around the box. Maybe you are, and that's great. But you get to a certain point and you're like, how do I carry these things? And you could carry them like this, or you could carry them like this, but then your hands get tired. Sometimes I carry them, I put my fingers through this back part, but then my finger gets really tired and it hurts. Sometimes I grab them by the laces and I'll just hold it like this. And then that's cool and it's fine. And I can hold them like this and walk and whatever. But a lot of times my fingers also get annoyed, and then sometimes I just drop it, or it makes the laces get all wonky, and we don't love that. So there needed to be an alternative for how we carry around skates. I don't know who invented them, honestly. It was someone. They're brilliant. I love them. If anyone knows who invented the skate leash, please put it down below. This or this was not it, because it's we still have all these other things to carry, right? And then even just now, that just got caught on my ring. It's a mess. This is not it. And ew, just all the dirty just got on my, whatever, it's fine. So skate leashes. A skate leash looks like this. It looks like a yoga mat holder, which is almost exactly what it is. In fact, you can use a yoga mat holder as a skate leash. You can also use a skate leash as a yoga mat holder, or a skateboard sling, or to hold any two items, whatever. So what you might get when you buy a skate leash, and you can get skate leashes from so many places. This one's from Derby Laces. You can also get them from Project Pinup. You can get them from so many different skate accessory shops. You can buy items from those two places in cheerstothequeers.com. So you should check that out, especially this one. Look at how cute it is. Obsessed with it. Anyways, so you get it. It looks like this, and you're like, what do I do with it? How do I make it work? And when you receive it also, this part might be really closed. It might look like this. And then you pull out this item and you're like, cool. So I have this, and then I drop it and it's just this, what do I do? So if you get it like this, what happens is you want to open up this loop a little bit more. Just do that by pulling. And the different types of skate leashes, there's some that have snaps that adhere here, or clips, or it'll be using a D-ring or something. So you open this up, and then what you're gonna do, this is the magic. You take your roller skate, and then there are many ways to do this, but this is the way I do it. You put the front of the roller skate through this loop. Oh my gosh, never done this for a camera before. So you make this loop super big, whatever. You put the front of it through the loop, and then once it's through the loop like this, you wanna tighten it. So then you have a hanging skate like this. And look at that. A lot of times it'll sneak in and just tighten up right there. And then you would do that same thing to the other side. And then you would be able to hold it like this. But what I'm gonna show you with the other side is another way that you can attach the skate leash to the skate. You have to open it really big for this one. I've seen people put the whole bottom of the skate into this loop. So basically all of the hardware for the skate you're putting into the loop, like so, and then you tighten it, and then you can hold it like that. So here's option number one. I like doing this one. There's option number two. You could do that one. Another option, and I don't like this option, but some people do it, so I'm gonna show it to you because you might like it. And just because I don't like it doesn't mean you won't like it, you know, whatever. So another option is to take this loop, and this one you won't need it that big, and then you just put the loop around your toe stop. The reason why I don't like this one is because I think it slips off pretty easily, but some people, especially when you have a thinner skate leash, like some of them are thinner than this, you could just put it around the toe stop and carry it that way. But I find that one to be like, I find it to fall off a lot. So now I'm gonna show you what it looks like when both of them are on. We have a skate leash. Now what? So what I like to do with a skate leash is I like to just throw it over my shoulder, and then look at that. I have all my hands free. So now I can grab a purse, I can have my bag, I can have my gear, I can have someone's hand, I can do whatever I want. So I like to throw it over my shoulder like this. And there are longer ones like this, there are also shorter ones. And you can also make it shorter if you have a long one by tying this part up here. You could tie that in a knot. Another way people wear this is they will wear it around their neck like this. So you can hold it like that. And then another way is that if you have a backpack on, let's pretend I have a backpack on, you can put it through the back straps and then it'll hang by the sides like it's part of the backpack. So it's a very handy thing. I think it's the best like skate accessory because it is so much easier to carry your skates like this than to carry them like individually. And I love it. So you should get a skate leash. If you don't have one already, get yourself a skate leash. And it's a great gift too, because I have a bunch of different skate leashes. I don't just have one because I have more than one skate, and I like to pair my skate leashes with my skate setups. As you can tell right now, like my skate setup is this exact lace and then this exact leash because I'm extra. But you can never have too many skate leashes. So you can get yourself a skate leash, you can get yourself a second skate leash, you could get your best friend a skate leash, you could get your skate friend a skate leash, and you can also use those skate leashes for many things. So that is a skate leash, and if you wanted to get one, you can get one from cheersofthequeers.com, and there's many, many styles and many types, so find the length and find the type of skate leash that you like the most. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and just have a wonderful day and go skate today. And most importantly, cheers to the queers!